I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
Alright, so now you level it from the front to the back. Alright, you look at the gap. I'm gonna pull it out. Okay.
Something like a little tiny
About
bit of...
1/16 of an inch.
Yeah, like
y'all
a-
live with that?
I'm good with that.
Alright, so
So
that's what that is this way.
okay?
Just like the level way. Now turn it the other way. I put it in the floor. They didn't go tend to be bad. So now
Yeah,
we're
you
gonna let
pull.
the front way down. Let's
Okay.
see. We gotta let the front down.
Okay.
We'll have to let the front down that much. So go ahead and unhook it. We'll pull out and run it. I don't think it's gonna roll up here. Do you have 2 more?
Yeah, just those
4. Need 2 more.
two. Okay. Mental note. 2 more chocks. Make a note of that.
Another thing you gotta know. Campgrounds, most of the time, especially like anchor down places, your nicer ones, they will not let you put your jacks on the asphalt. You have to have a board or a pad of some kind. Like, and you have to watch putting them on your Legos because it'll bend in, but block or anything will work. But we gotta unhook first. Is this all the blocks you have?
Yes.
Like,
Amateur.
do what?
You keep saying it.
I'm just afraid it's gonna go down here. Let me go get you a block. I got a block.
So what are you about to do?
Surge protector.
And what kind did we end up getting?
We got the Surge Guard Southwire model 44260. 30 amps.
Nice. Okay.
So they say that you make sure everything's off. That's just the light. So everything's off. Then you plug the surge protector in. Flip this on and make sure you got 2 green lights. You can't hardly see because it's so bright outside, and once you got the 2 green lights, then we can go and hook up. And now,
Did you hear her turn on?
I brought a few accessories. Put this one on the other side. Everybody wet.
this. That was our first night in
Okay.
the RV.
So honestly,
It was pretty cool. Except for,
Sleeping on a 2x4.
yes, there's that. And the getting used to the noise from the air conditioner is going to be an adjustment. So I will definitely be, checking into how to make that quieter. But overall, I mean, it was awesome.
So, air conditioner, muffler,
Yes.
silencing device of some sort.
How'd you sleep? Or what'd you think? What was your first impressions? Oh,
Again,
and
sleeping
that
on.
structure in the middle, I don't know how many times I kicked that last night.
So the separation between the bedroom and the living room may end up coming down anyways.
Yes. So
I'm sure-
Johnny's journey, I'm coming for you, lady.
We don't know if that's a structural device or we don't know. But
Because if it's not, it's coming down. Like, oh, and I've also thought about if it is structural, then I'm going to have her help us make like a sliding door right there.
like a pocket door.
Yes.
But all in all, we're here at Desoto State Park in Alabama with Daydream About Nice Things, hanging with Gary and Tammy.
It's beautiful,
And-
right?
We're currently walking up to their spot. We tried to get something near them, but it was
I mean, they're not that far though.
no, and honestly, we probably need the exercise. Just going out there. But it's got a beautiful area. We're in a pull through. That's the only thing that was available, and which I probably kind of appreciated. First day taking the rig out, so I didn't have to get out.
There's a ton of walking trails, so the next time we get to come here to spend some time with Daydream, we will be booking a couple of days because Ryan wants to walk some trails.
And we will not be in flip-flops for the walking trails this time.
Oh.
If y'all remember the last video.
There's a couple of shower houses that are like really close to us too.
And they're really kind of nice. We took our shower for the first time last night. Weren't kidding about the old 32-second shower. Hot water disappears quick. Well, it usually does when you remember to turn the hot water heater on. Oops.
What about it, guys?
Oh, there you are. Y'all missed all the Blackstone pictures.
Well, dang it, man. You said 7:30-ish. Ish.
That means I started about 7. That's about lunch for me.
Oh, snap. What's that? Yes.
So I can, I got that's a single cup maker, but it takes up a lot of less room.
Oh, that's okay. I'm gonna drink me some water this morning.
You're not having coffee? You bring your coffee cup? So yeah. So when you get done cooking, leave this thing hot and clean.
I tell you,
Cooking bacon and sausage, you don't even have to re-oil it. Look how much oil is on.
yeah, that's you leave it on there, all that flavor stay on there.
What I do, you see when it starts smoking, turn it off. Close the lid, and you're done. Turn it on.
Yep. Head on.
Okay,
Epic fail number 1.
I didn't even bring any. I met some more people up there.
I need to get the gloves on.
Make sure it doesn't come out.
Oh no. Sitting now. And he didn't.
Well, I got 2 boys. We got Jack, Brooke, and Drew and Bentley. We got brothers. We said we was only gonna get. We wasn't even gonna get another truck. I was devastated.
Right. Now. Okay, yeah, that works. Now you can set the water off. And I'll shut this water off, right?
No.
We're like, we don't know.
So we got y'all a gift.
You had to do that.
See what it is?
Yeah, the motorcycle nightlight.
What? Thank you. Well, that's the
How I
gray
do
water.
mine. How I do mine. I dump my black. Yeah, I dump my gray.
Yeah, that's what I did. That's why I said that I needed to get. We had to add that other extension because this didn't reach. So I had to put the. I'm glad I got 2 cents.
But it looks like, I mean, the water's been flowing out, so I think we're good.
What didn't reach?
This
The hose didn't reach the
all
black
way to
tank,
the
which is up
black.
here.
Oh, we were hooked to the gray.
Yeah.
Yep.
See, mine's all one.
Hey Gary,
Sir?
is this supposed to smell like this?
Hey, Kyle, no.
That's clean, right?
Kyle, that's the poop hose. Yeah, that's nasty.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling. Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving